We have one final trader to get to, and that's Mike Shorr, the day trader at Prosper Trading Academy. Mike, what's your trade of the day?
You know what? I'm looking at Meta, or as most people call it, Facebook still. After the CPI came out earlier in the week, we had a nice run up there. Now we've talked about how Meta is definitely looking for a reason to go up, and they got some positive news also on Tuesday morning that there is a group of bipartisan House members that want to ban TikTok. The whole Chinese taking all of our information and using it to spy on us and everything like that. So that gives a lift to it as well. So you had the fundamental things. Now, it did have some bad news last week on Europe making it tougher for the ad part of their thing. But, that's largely been digested, an overreaction to that thing. So what I'm looking at is essentially 119.5 pullbacks into that area. That's a good place for an entry. And then, we put in highs, above 124 even last week. So that is that's looking like a really good place to do it, as long as the markets hold up. Obviously, you don't want to be buying Meta as the markets are coming down. But, right now we do have some positive momentum behind us, and we'll see about that.
Mike, with that Fed decision today, does that affect your trading?
Well, certainly. Really what this number from Tuesday with the CPI, that was a very nice soft number. That's what we're looking for. If the market is looking for Powell to have a more dovish tone, I think that they're kind of kidding themselves. I think the tone that is going to be is, hey, what we're doing is working. We're going to continue to do it, not as aggressively. So, I would expect a 50 basis point move tomorrow. That's what the market is expecting. And then smoothing that out and maybe even finishing as early as March. Probably not. I'm looking more towards June, but those will probably only be 25 rate moves. Again, that's what the market is pricing in. If we see anything that he's saying, hey, listen, we're going to have to stay at least this aggressive, well, then that's going to soften up the markets a bit. And I really don't think that he's going to say, okay, we're done with inflation. So yes, they are going to hang on every word and every comma of his, but so far the data is backing up, and specifically what they've said that they're going to be looking at.
Thank you, Mike. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.